Hello everyone, my name is Tolu, and today I'll be taking you on the introduction to Note 3 software on the Edtek Interactive Board. So this is the Note 3 software, and I'll be clicking on it so I can use my hand, my stylus pen, or my keyboard. But for the course of today's class, I don't need my keyboard, so I'll be making use of my hand. So you just need to double click on it. So in today's class, I'll be showing you all the tools on the Note 3 software. So this is the Note 3 software interface, and below here we have all our tools. So right here we have the menu. This is our desktop. This here is our treasure box. The first here is our resources, and here is our encyclopedia. Down here we have the select tool, we have the writing tool, we have the eraser, the erasing tool, we have the drawing tool, we have the writing to text tool, we have the undo and redo, and right here we have our hard page, and here we have the trace for all our pages. Now, these are all the tools we have here on the Edtek Interactive Board, and in subsequent classes I'll be showing you how to make use of all these tools. Have a good day.